Hi, good day. This is Rochelle from the Vevox team, and I'm showing you today an alternative to creating two virtual desktops when you are using PowerPoint and Vevox on a Mac computer. So if you want to share one screen with your audience and your PowerPoint slides are not too detailed, this might be an easy alternative for you, and it can also be used with Zoom and Microsoft Teams. So your first step would be to open your polls or questions in your Vevox dashboard. From here, you can see I'm already logged in with all my questions. And then instead of launching the present full screen, you go to the three dots and select open in a new tab. Once it opens, you can just resize this window to a smaller size. And then the next step would be to open your PowerPoint presentation. From here, I select the slideshow and then go to Set Up Slideshow. It's important to change the show type from presented by a speaker to browsed by individual window. Click OK and then press the Play from Start option. Now I can also resize this window and have them right next to each other. So if I want to launch my polls now, I can go back to Present View and launch it from this screen. I can ask my audience to answer it. Let's close this poll. And show the correct answer. And move on to the next poll. Let's close that poll. And show the correct answer. Then again, I can move over to my PowerPoint by just clicking on it and just moving on to the next slides as I would normally do. If you have any more questions, you are welcome to email us at hello@vevox.com. Thank you for watching.